our channel. So for today's video, I am using the Stone Cold Fox palette and also the brand new brush belt. So I'll show you guys what the brand new brush belt looks like, and I also show you guys the palette, and I will be giving you guys my first impression and review on this. So if you guys are interested in seeing my full review on the Stone Cold Fox palette, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So this is the brand new brush belt. Actually, I don't know if it's brand new or not, but I just received it in PR, so I thought why not just sit down and do a review on it for you guys. The thing I thought to myself when I first saw it was, wow, it is amazing quality. I love the leather on it. The brushes are really good quality. I do use a lot of the brushes in today's look. This is the Stone Cold Fox palette, and I just felt like playing around with it and just showing you guys a look that I created using it if you guys want to recreate it. So first thing I did was prime my eyes with some concealer and then set it with translucent powder. For my transition color, I am mixing those two shades that I just showed you with this big fluffy brush, and then I'm going into this angled brush and this mauve shade, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer half of my crease. And this is going to give us a map of where we're going to start to add some depth. And then I just went back into that fluffy brush and those two transition colors to buff out that line. Next up, I'm grabbing my angled brush and some concealer. I'm just carving out my crease and also applying it on my lid and then setting it in place with some translucent powder. I'm going to be mixing these two shades in the palette and be applying them all over my lid. And it just gave us a really nice mauve bronzy metallic shade. So I'm just pressing this all over the lid. I went ahead and grabbed that mauve shade with this small brush and just applied that on the outer corner. And then I'm grabbing this angled brush with the black shadow, and I'm just going to be doing a smoky liner. But I am going in with liquid liner on the inner part of my lash line just to give it a more natural look. And then I am going to be going into this small pencil brush, and I'm really going to be diffusing that black shadow to give us a really smoky liner look. And then I went back in with that black shadow to redefine it. And then I'm applying these lashes right here. Unfortunately, these are discontinued. And then I'm just grabbing my black waterline pencil and just putting that in my waterline. This one is from Maybelline, I believe. And then I'm going into Stone Age with this smudger brush. And I'm just getting as close to my lower lashes as possible, and then going into Obsidian with this flat defined brush. And we're just going to be applying this, focusing this kind of on that outer edge, going in left and right motions. And then I'm just going to be applying my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went into my Too Faced Canary Diamond highlighter. It has pink reflex, but I absolutely love it. And this is the finished eye look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. My final thoughts on the palette is that it's super pigmented, and I love how cool toned it is. It definitely offers a variety of different types of looks that you can create from it. You can definitely do a softer look, a deeper look. You can definitely take it from day to night. So I do highly recommend it, and I absolutely loved the brushes. I will definitely be using them a lot more. So this is the finished look right here. I just showed you guys the eyes, but let me know if you guys want to see my full face routine. I actually have a bunch of videos on my other channel of me doing full face, so I'll go ahead and link that down, and it'll also be on the end screen if you guys want to check that out. But this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.